Amazon has a lot of data. They're basically a data warehouse at this point in time, but most sellers are not aware of it. Like, there is one dashboard that reveals exactly where you are losing customers, why sales are flat, and what you need to fix. That's pretty much a big fish. So in these few minutes, I am going to break down that customer journey analytics, the map Amazon gives you, but no one's really use it properly. Alright, you can find this tool from the hamburger menu. Now, if I click brands and then brand analytics, this is the customer journey dashboard where essentially you can see all the customer journey data going on. You can actually see the awareness, you can see the consideration, intent, and purchases. This guides us from the category search all the way down to somebody actually purchasing the product. It's essentially your customer journey funnel. Alright, so this dashboard tracks the full journey from the first time a shopper notices your listing to the moment they decide I'm buying this. Now, first I'm gonna select the date range to see the specific states. For that, I need to select the brand, and next to it is reporting range. You can check out weekly, monthly, or quarterly basis. Now, next have to select the year and then the month, and then hit apply. In this sample month, we have 54,000 awareness customers, and the branded search ratio sits at 0.03%. This one number tells a big story. How many people are actually searching for your brand name versus generic category terms. Here is a catch. If your brand search is low, it means customers don't know who you are yet. And if it's high, it means you have built real brand presence. And both require different advertising strategies. Next, consideration. Here is where customers start comparing with your competitors. We have around 23,000 total consideration customers, including 6532 high potential shoppers. High potential shoppers are your gold. These are the people already familiar with your category, buying frequently, and likely ready to commit. If this number is strong but conversions are weak, that means your listing, visuals, or offer might be holding you back. So what you need to do is re-optimize your title, description, search term, and a little tweak in your main image. Now, intent shows you two things: who added your product to cart, who saved it for later or put it in their wish list. Like here you can see that this brand has 4195 intent customers. Of those, 3500 added to cart and 626 added to wish list, and lastly 704 people saved for later. I usually combine these because both tell us the same thing. So people want your product, but something isn't pushing them to complete the purchase. Maybe your price is slightly off, maybe your competitors are showing up stronger, or maybe the product details aren't convincing enough yet. So this is where audience targeting and promotional tactics play a role. Finally, the purchase section. Here we see 1338 new to brand orders and 75 repeat purchases. If repeat purchases are low, don't panic. Some products simply don't have repurchasability. If you sell something customers buy once every 60 days, you won't see high repeat numbers. In that case, your strategy should have heavily on new to brand acquisition, not loyalty loops. Now here's where it gets interesting. Let's compare 2 months, June and July. Awareness dropped from 67,000 to 54,000. That's a big fall. Also, branded search drops from 0.04% to 0.03%. Might look tiny, but it actually represents thousands of fewer shoppers moving further down your funnel. Consideration also tightens, high potential customers stay strong, and detail page views spike because we improve both design and targeting. Intent rises, add to cart shoot up to 3575, meaning our changes nudge people closer to buying. Then the biggest payoff, new to brand purchase climbed from 1175 to 1254. This is what a healthy funnel looks like. People entering at the top, moving smoothly through the stage, and coming out other side as buyers. So what we can actually do with this data? Here is the roadmap. If your awareness is high but consideration is weak, fix your listing design and your product's first impression. If consideration is high but intent is low, your offer needs work. Like test price, coupons, and comparison modules. If intent is high but purchase is low, create retargeting campaigns for high intent audience. If repeat customers are low but your product is non-replenishable, stop wasting budget chasing repeat buyers. Go heavy on new brand targeting. Track month-to-month trends instead of one-off numbers. The trend line reveals your real growth. Alright, so customer journey analytics reveal what's really happening behind your sales, where customers drop off, where your strategy leaks, and where your biggest growth opportunities hide. Just look at the funnel each month, adjust your ads, design, and targeting, and keep purchasing people deeper into the journey. And if all of this feels overwhelming or you want a team to handle it for you, Ecomclips is here. We manage end-to-end e-commerce growth grounded in real analytics and proven strategies. If you want help optimizing your funnel and scaling smart, reach out to us at info@ecomclips.com. Alright, so that's all for today. I hope you understand this customer journey analytics. If you don't, you can comment us below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.